functions. We're going to do aggregate functions now. And for aggregate functions, here's our schema. Here's our code. I'm going to do select. Sum. We can do count. We'll do sum. We'll do count. Select count. En.en con. Well, I'm wondering if I need the. I don't think I need the name. En contract price as total engagements from engagements. $100. Duplicate that. Duplicate that. Select sum. All right. Select sum contract price. Total revenue. $697,396.
That's cool.
Select max. Max contract price is $11,948. Select min. $2,060. What were the other ones? Max, min.
Average.
Ah, average. $6,973.96. So on these, ename, e.ename, en.that, from engagements, from entertainers as e, join engagements as en on e.eid equals en.eid. Relation entertainers, enter-ainers, enter-ainers. Ename must appear in the group by clause. So I can't do it like that. So it's telling me now I got to group by. So group by e.ename. So it kind of told me what I need to do. Ah, cool. Max contract price for each of them. Min contract price for each of them. Average contract price for each of them. Laughing Jackals are doing well. So we could do this order, whoops, order by min contract price. So yeah, Laughing Jackals, on average, bring in the most money per venue by $1,500. Who are we going to get our? you know, that could tell us two things. It could tell us, hey, let's really make sure that we get them out there so that, you know, we're taking advantage of that. Also, maybe we need to do more marketing on some of these other people. Wiki has potential. So we had max, min, and min. What happened to my average? Didn't I have average? These are min. Let's see average. I don't know where my average went. I deleted it. Yeah. Max, min, average, sum. Might be interesting to see. Huh. Calendar Flippers is working really hard, right? Even though they have a lower average, they're out there more. Count. Yeah, calendar flippers had a lot of venues. So that's doing, I don't know what the heck we did in this video, a bunch of aggregate functions and some grouping.